Okay, my heart is racing, literally. So I tested this morning and I let it sit for a little bit, like whilst I got dressed. And there's like a line on both, but like it's so faint, I don't know if I'll pick it up. Yeah, you can see that, look. And this one's here, but it's like, I don't know guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna have to test with the first response that I ordered. I really hope that it's not like a evaporation. First response, early result. So nervous. I didn't even expect, I wasn't even gonna test today. I was just like, it's like in the right place and, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can't see anything yet. Can't really pick it up on camera, but there's like a white line. Do you reckon that's just another indent? Okay, my decent camera has just cut out from filming literally the second I was about to look at my pregnancy test. I don't know what's going on. I've literally just taken like a second pregnancy test. Oh my God, there's a line. Oh my God, there's actually a line. It's not even like a, is that a line? Oh my God, I can't believe this, look. On my naked, hairy leg. Oh my God, look. Oh my God. How many DPO am I? I'm due on the 20th, so it's now the 17th. Guys, look at that. Oh my goodness, there's a second line coming up on that pregnancy test as well. Okay, I've got to take Harry to school really quick and then I will be back, guys. I will be back to do more pregnancy tests. I don't believe it. I literally don't believe it. That is a pink second line. That is a pink second line. That is a pink second line. No way. All my symptoms have disappeared. What is going on? I don't believe it. I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. I'm not believing it. Oh my God, it's getting darker. Okay, guys, I need to take Harry to school. I've literally got to be there in 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back from the school run and I'm going to be using the Clearblue. It's literally like 25 MUI, so I've been so busy this morning making lots of phone calls and the whole time I just want to blurt out, by the way, I'm pregnant, like, it sounds so silly, doesn't it? Like, walking on the road and being like, did you know I'm pregnant? Like, I've just found out I'm pregnant. I'm going to be smiling at work all day today. Okay, so I'm going to just put this on camera because they're really cool and they go pink. You can see that if you've put enough urine in. So I've realised also why my camera's died. It's because I was doing some FaceTiming with you guys and it used up all the memory on my camera. Okay, I'm going to set that down on the side and just watch it like a crazy person. Just move that out of the way now. I'm going to go to the shops, I think, and get some more pregnancy tests and definitely order some more online. I don't know if it's going to be dark enough. See, I'm really tempted to test with a Digi, and I do have a Digi from when I had my last miscarriage. Matt bought me some in hopes that, you know, it would still come up, but bless him, it didn't, so don't know if it's going to be dark enough yet. I don't actually know how strong the urine has got to be on these ones. Hey look, £1 off pregnancy test, how cool is that? Okay, nothing's happened yet, but it's still early, so don't panic, Corrine. Okay, so first response, early results. So 76% of women 6 days before their missed periods, 96% of women 5 days before the missed periods, and 99% of women 4 days or fewer. That's amazing. Like, these are really, really sensitive. And I don't think it says anywhere, like, how sensitive they actually are, though. Oh my god, it looks like it's coming up the line. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I actually can't believe it. It's actually got a little bit lighter. I was like, no, don't go away. Okay, so I'm going to be testing tomorrow. The Clearblue one is there. It's still very faint because obviously, although there's, you know, pregnancy hormone, it's like not as strong yet. So I have to wait a few days and then it gets darker. So fingers crossed it does. But I'm going to be testing tomorrow morning and then we will compare the two and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies.